and how to use ChatGPT to create affiliate marketing website. Hi Tommy here. So I think it's one of the most popular ways to make money online, because you just share information about and the advantages, and sometimes you also share a bit about the downside of a product to be genuine, and that way you can make affiliate commissions when consistently writing reviews on your blog. So I'm going to show you now how you can use ChatGPT to create those reviews. So started for free at signing up for free at chat.openai.com. Okay, so here I enter write a positive review on Aweber, just an example, and then you can actually write more prompts in request in the same prompts, and you do that by clicking the shift button and the enter button, the big button to the right that's pointing to the left, to get a new line. And then you can, for instance, write in a positive tone, and you can do a whole list of specifics that you want to be included in this spot. And then when you're satisfied, and then you click the green button here. So now this bot has, ChatGPT has written this positive review on Aweber, but I wouldn't copy and paste this text into your blog post, because search engines like Google will notice that you used the bot to create the text, because they know that by the way it's written, and so that's why we have to use this free bot, the Quill bot. Then I'm going to show you now how to use. Just copy some text there, and then at bot.com, as you can see here, is where we find this free app. And with this free app, you can paraphrase 125 words at a time. But if you want to paraphrase more words at a time, you can always upgrade. Otherwise, just update this page, and after you have done the first paraphrase, and enter more text and paraphrase. So as a free member, you can choose to have a standard version of the text or fluency. I would recommend that you choose fluency, because that way the text generated will look like more like a human being. But sometimes, as we don't have access to the simple choice here of text, your blog may say that text is difficult to read, but the text and edit the text and enter some words to make the text more like a human being has written it. So, but that doesn't take long time. Anyway, you just paste in the text. Paraphrase button now is working here to paraphrase the text I put in. So now the text is paraphrased, and you guys can just mark it and copy it or click on this symbol to copy the text and redo the process to paraphrase more text. Now there's one more thing about writing reviews with ChatGPT that I want to share with you. If there's a certain product you want to do a review about, this is just an example, an Amazon product. You can, for instance, right-click on this image, and then we're going to connect it to ChatGPT. And then we're going to right-click on it, and then we get a to get a menu where we can connect to ChatGPT, like it says here, AI PRM for ChatGPT, and here's the different options. You can choose to outrank the article or summarize. Let's click on outrank article. Now we got a link from Amazon, and I click the green button here, so now it's working on that information. When you get the information, you gotta make sure that the name's okay and legit and right. Here's some basic information about it. You can copy some of it to make a review about it. Wait a minute, that giving it that way, and then we copy that, and you can write a review based on this information. Then you paste in the text about the product there. And then you hit the green button there after pasting in the text. So now ChatGPT has created a positive review about the headphones that I entered the link to, and then you can just copy the text and go to Quillbot and paste it in to your blog. I hope you like this advice about ChatGPT and making money with affiliate marketing. Would you like to find out 4 little known methods of making money online? Then grab your free copy of my ebook below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.